Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it's gonna be a day in my life. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm on my way to go shopping, but first I'm having my Timmy tea. You guys, I am back on the weight loss journey. You guys know I struggle so much, but I'm on the go today, so I decided to bring my morning tea. I am doing the 30-day challenge from Timmy. Honestly, you guys, I have seen an incredible difference when it comes to bloating. I can't tell you about weight loss yet, but I think, it's a combination of, meals and stuff like that. So you kind of have to be healthy on your own. But how I like my tea, I like to put some lime in it or lemon, whatever I have handy, and then just drink my tea in the mornings. And then I will do the detox tea every other night. So yeah, I will let you know how I go through my 30 days. Guys, so I just pulled over to At Home and I'm so excited. It's my first time here. But first thing first, I'm gonna sip on my tea, my Timmy tea. And guys, I recently started my 30-day challenge again. So yeah, my Timmy comes with me everywhere, every time I'm shopping. So don't forget to check out Timmy. I'm gonna leave all the link information down on the description box. Also guys, you can use my code if you want a discount and if you want to join me on the 30-day challenge. So yeah, let's go shopping. So guys, if you know me, if you follow me on Instagram and we have gotten a little more personal than here on YouTube, then you know I'm a shopaholic. I go shopping every single weekend. I have to visit a Home Goods or any home decor store for that matter. So this time I decided to drive an hour away from home and visit At Homes because I never been and I heard so many good stuff about it. And you guys, it was huge in there, and I love that everything was organized by the color, by theme, and their floral section. It was amazing. It was so much. I was overwhelmed, honestly, in a good way. Obviously, I couldn't get a lot of footage for you because it's hard when you're kind of want to shop and then you kind of want to record at the same time. So if you don't have help, it gets a little difficult. But you guys, if you haven't been to home stores, you have to visit. I fall in love. See what I'm telling you? Look at all these pillows. Everything was like, by colors. I liked it. I was like, oh my God, this is like the mother of home goods, honestly. It was amazing in there. So I was really looking for spring decor, but I didn't get that lucky. I didn't find a lot of pieces for spring. They did tell me that they're gonna be restocking their aisles for spring pretty soon. So the guy that works there, he told me like in about 2 weeks they should have all the spring aisles. So maybe I should take another trip down there. But yeah, guys, that was pretty much it for At Homes. And as soon as I got home, guess who got inspired to decorate? I did. So I decided to start decorating my dining room because I got some new items and I wanted to kind of see how they will look in the dining room. So guys, I got this new bench from Amazon, and before I return it, I wanted to kind of see how it would look. So I decided to create a whole table escape to kind of get an idea if I would like it or not. Because when I saw it right out of the box and I, put it together, which it was super easy, by the way, to put together, and the quality is amazing. I love everything about the bench. I just don't like how low it sits on my dining room. I think my dining table is huge, so I think it needs a bigger piece. That's just my personal opinion. Let me know what you think down in the comments. So I decided to kind of show you guys a little Valentine's Day type of table escape that could easily transition into spring. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know down in the comments what you think of the bench, if I should keep it. I'm pretty sure I would either return it or put it in my bedroom or somewhere else in the house, but I'm not sure if I like it in my dining room. Let me know what you think though. I like to hear your opinions. But these beautiful bases that you see there with the white and silver are from Burlington. I just got them for $12.99. The roses that you see there are from Marshall's, and the white little picks are from At Home. They were $3.99 each. Those pillows are from Burlington as well, and I'm just setting up my plates, which are old and the usual, but I'm giving it a different vibes. So this table, like I said, could be easily transitioned into a spring table escape. That's why I wanted to share it with you today. So this is how the table turned out, and I loved it. I think it's simple, but then again, so pretty. And like I said, it could easily transition. All you have to do is change the little heart for a little flower or something else, and this is a spring table setting. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. God bless, and I will see you on my next video.